Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a crypto.com account. Start by registering with your email and choosing a strong password, then verify your email link promptly. Next, prepare your government ID and a clear selfie to complete KYC verification without delays. After approval, enable two-factor authentication and add a recovery method. Finally, learn how to deposit funds, set security preferences, and explore the app interface for smooth trading. Begin KYC by selecting your document type and following on-screen prompts carefully. Make sure your uploaded ID image is clear, uncut, and shows every corner of the document. Take a well-lit selfie that matches your ID photo for facial verification to avoid delays. Submit all information accurately and monitor your email for status updates. If asked, respond quickly to support to speed up verification and get access to full features. After verification, set up your preferred deposit method in the app and link your bank or card. Start with a small deposit to confirm transfers and familiarize yourself with fees and limits. Always enable two-factor authentication and authorize withdrawals only after confirming device security. Regularly check your transaction history and active sessions, and revoke any unfamiliar access. Treat your recovery keys and passwords like cash, and store them offline for maximum protection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.